Have you ever been in a situation where you needed a screwdriver, but you don't really want to just carry around a bunch of screwdrivers? Well, I just picked up the perfect thing from Worth. It's the Ratchet Screwdriver Mini with 10 bits. Could easily fit into if you're a woman like me, you can fit it in your purse or your backpack without taking up much room. I can't wait to unbox this and show you guys this item. Now, the Ratchet Screwdriver Mini is very similar to the T-grip handle one, but this one's really cool because you can put it in smaller places and even get to smaller places. The mini screwdriver comes in this a little protective plastic case, which you can reuse. I guess it's good to keep it together, especially because I would put this in my backpack or purse just because of how small and compact it is. And it is a little tricky to open at first. You got to push the insides of the plastic part and then pull it apart. But just know your stuff's not going to come all loosey-goosey in your bag when it's in there, because you have to actually try to get it open. I mean, not you're not going to get it open, but So anyway, here is the mini Ratchet screwdriver. So small, yet it has a good enough weight to it that when you're working on something, it most definitely is made with good quality. It is not a cheapie. All right, so this comes with the 11 bits. There's 10 here, 1 on the screwdriver. And you have the Phillips, which is on here, the 1/4-inch square, the flathead, 4mm star, the 5mm, another Phillips, and then the Torx 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So you're going to be covered for a lot of jobs. This is just, you never know when you need a screwdriver, at least if you're me. Sometimes you just need it on the go, even just with your car. It's nice to have these on hand. You never know. And then what's really nice about this is I love the ratchet feature on it. Okay, most screwdrivers, we have to twist it like this, and it gets a little taxing. It's a pain. If you're working with something that feels unstable, it's always a pain. But there are 3 settings to this. If you have it in the middle, it's going to act like a standard screwdriver. You're going to have to turn it the same way. Okay, and then you can tighten and loosen like a normal ratchet, and then you don't have to let go of it. You just turn it. I love that. And then loosen. This is going to lessen your work tremendously and get things done a lot faster. And it's also easy enough to just change out the bits. You just pull it. And there's a pretty strong magnet in here that just holds on to it. And that's all it takes. In, out, easy. This screw has always been a challenge because the screwdrivers always hit this thing. But using the mini screwdriver ratchet, it's perfect. So perfect, I only needed one hand to do it, and I wasn't able to get this in before. I got this tool at worthtool.com for a pretty decent price too. You'd be surprised. So make sure you're buying the good professional grade quality tool. Stop cheaping out. You're gonna love this, trust me.